up guys, my name is Brendan and this is part 3 of a 3-part tutorial series on the Rise. In this tutorial, I want to show you the different functions that the Rise can perform. I want to talk about Rise as a setup, as a transition, and as a set for things like Rise Twist or Snapu Swipe. With that said, let's get started. First, I want to talk about Rise as a setup. When using Rise as a setup for swing skills or other tricks, your goal is to generate as much flipping momentum as possible. To do that, you want an inverted Rise that's low and fast. This is why Touchdown Rise is such a popular setup. It's very low because you have to touch that hand down, and it's fast because you're able to push off the ground to get your chest up into the next trick. Whenever you perform Rise as a setup, focus on going low and fast and hitting a strong eagle position. Next, I want to talk about Rise as a transition. Whenever you perform Rise as a transition, your goal is to move smoothly into the next trick. To do this, it helps to have a higher Rise that takes a little bit more time and lets you catch your breath. To do this, as you set for your Rise, pull more with the side of your leg and focus on blocking your momentum vertically, so that way you can go a little bit more off axis and land in a far more controlled manner. This is what makes Rise circles so iconic and so different looking than Rise as a setup. Whenever you perform a Rise circle, your goal is to go very off axis and travel in a big circle, not having that much inversion. But whenever you perform Rise as a setup, you want to get as much inversion as possible to catapult you into the next trick. So whenever you use Rise as a transition, focus on slowing the trick down, pulling with the side of your leg, and landing controlled. Finally, I want to talk about Rise as a set for tricks like Side Swipe or Rise Twist. Whenever you perform Rise as a set, it's really important to focus on your speed and your height. You want a fast Rise that you can twist or kick or variate in any way, but you also want a Rise with a ton of vertical momentum, so that way you have the air time to perform whatever variation you're looking for. The most important thing when using Rise as a set is to not execute the variation too early. If you're performing a side swipe and you start to kick over before you leave the ground, you're gonna be missing out on a little bit of power, a little bit of height, and a little bit of speed. So it's really important to take your time, set all the way, and then execute the variation. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do me a favor and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what trick you guys want me to cover next. I love doing these in-depth tricking tutorials, and I really think they help you guys learn, and it helps me improve the skills as well. Thank you guys again, and have a lovely day.